Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Make sure your iPhone 16 Pro Max is updated and unlocked, then plug in if battery is low. Swipe or tap to open settings, or simply long press the lock screen. Both routes reach the wallpaper editor. Once done, choose Add New or Edit to begin customizing. You're choosing whether to use a photo, live wallpaper, or Apple's collections. Pick the source first because it determines available options like depth, motion, and focus filters. Now you'll refine the look. After selecting a wallpaper, pinch and drag to crop or change perspective. Enable depth for subject separation if available. Tap Edit to add widgets and pick a clock font and color. These affect readability and style. Make sure to toggle focus filters if you want different lock screens for work or personal modes. Once configured, preview notifications and tweak display density so alerts don't obscure important elements. Finish by tapping Done, then choose Set as Lock Screen or set both to apply to Home Screen too. You can also assign this lock screen to a focus. Make sure to test by locking and waking the phone to confirm animation, widgets, and notifications behave as expected. If changes don't apply, force close settings, restart the phone, and confirm photos permissions are enabled. Most issues resolve after a restart or granting access, so the system can read your image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.